Today we'll talk about how can you connect Google on your Truecaller app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here, you go above your photo profile, click on it here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list here or your profile. So then all you have to do, just go here above this sign, click on it. And you click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. Then you click here on privacy center, you just click on it. Then you come to next step here, then you go down, just keep going down here. You come here to the connect Google, you just click on it here. So then you click on yes, then it's going to connect with you on your Truecaller app. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.